In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and access cPanel in Godaddy. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you'll want to head over to Godaddy's website. Open up your preferred web browser and input godaddy.com into the address bar. Once you land on the home page, you should see several options on the navigation menu. Look for the one labeled Hosting and click on it. This will lead you to the web hosting section of Godaddy's website. Next, click on Web Hosting from the drop-down menu. This will guide you to the various hosting plans Godaddy offers. If you don't have a hosting plan yet, you'll need to purchase one to proceed. Godaddy offers a range of hosting plans catering to different needs and budgets, so take a moment to choose the right one for you. Once you've set up your hosting account, or if you already have an existing one, you need to find it among your products. Locate your hosting account within your Godaddy account. This might involve logging in with your credentials and navigating to your account dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the hosting account you want to use. When you've found it, you'll see a Manage button. Click on this button to access more options for managing your hosting account. Now that you're in the management area, you should see a variety of features and settings available for your hosting plan. At this point, you'll want to find and click on the cPanel admin button. This is the gateway to accessing your cPanel, where you can manage various aspects of your website, such as domains, files, and databases. Once inside cPanel, you can explore and utilize its range of tools to effectively manage your website. From setting up email accounts and viewing website statistics, to managing files and databases, cPanel is an intuitive and powerful control panel that simplifies these processes. To wrap it up, it's a straightforward process. Navigate to Godaddy's website, find your hosting account, and access cPanel via the management options. If you follow these steps, you'll be managing your website with ease in no time. Remember, if you're new to this, take it one step at a time and refer back to this guide whenever needed. And there you have it. Now you know how to find and access cPanel in Godaddy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below and I'll do my best to address them. Happy website managing, and see you in the next video.